Ich komme aus Maharashtra. Ich wohne in Chandigarh.
Und kannst du buchstabieren Maharashtra auf Deutsch?
My God. Siddhi's going to change
After
her birthplace now to
Examiner में
Goa.
बोलो उसको.
Okay, I
No,
can
she's
try.
talking-
Birthplace to Goa.
Goa. Goa.
Yes. M A H A R A S S. Yeah. S T R A.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Perfect.
Very good, very good.
Very good, very good.
Danke.
I would to say Goa only for you. इतना कौन करेगा?
I can't even say Aurangabad. It's also big.
It's also big, yeah.
No, Sambhaji Nagar. It's now Sambhaji Nagar, right?
Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh my God.
Nishnu Sambhajinagar.